Pointillism is an artistic technique in which small dots, or points, of color work together to create a whole image. It thrived during the 1880s and 1890s and is best known today because of the French artist Georges Seurat. Seurat's most famous work is titled Sunday Afternoon on the Island of the Grand Jatte. I'm sure a lot of you have seen photographs of this painting. From a distance, it shows men, women, and children relaxing by a pond in a Paris suburb. But look what happens when we take a closer look. Now, when we focus on the mother and child, you begin to see the details of Seurat's technique. You can see even more if we move in closer on the child. Notice how the child's face and hat are actually the result of different dots of color, some lighter, some darker. As viewers, we put the dots together in our minds to create the whole image.